Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure, here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to download the Python SDK for IntelliJ IDEA along with a code example. If you don't have IntelliJ IDEA installed, download and install it from the official website, IntelliJ IDEA. Launch IntelliJ IDEA and open an existing project or create a new one. Open the newly created Python file and write a simple Python program. For example, congratulations! You have successfully set up the Python SDK in IntelliJ IDEA and executed a simple Python program. Keep in mind that the steps might vary slightly based on your IntelliJ IDEA version. If you encounter any issues, refer to the official IntelliJ IDEA and Python plugin documentation for more detailed instructions. ChatGPT.